When? This is the opening of our Young Citizens of the World, 100,000 subscribers, with teacher Lukas, grade 4, at Blessed Sacrament School in Vancouver, British Columbia. So what does it say here?
Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100, or your 1,000? Chances are you do. Oh my goodness.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, I'm afraid to take it out of the wrapper.
Well, there's probably a whole bunch.
So what does it say?
It says, presented to Young Citizens of the World, JCM, for passing 100,000 subscribers.
The mirror looks very shiny.
It is very shiny.